Jones here, Service Director with the Joe Bullard Acura dealership, here to talk with you today about Tune-Up Tuesday and the benefits to servicing your car here with us at the dealership. Today I have here one of our shop foremen, Daniel Grimes, here to explain a little bit about the benefits on using a factory oil filter as opposed to an aftermarket oil filter.
The factory and aftermarket oil filters, the factory recommended oil filter catches many more contaminants than the aftermarket. One little thing that Honda and Acura does that the aftermarket doesn't do is they have a relief valve that if it clogs up, it'll still let oil to your engine. If the aftermarket one clogs up, you'll have no oil going to your engine.
That's one of the benefits of using a factory oil filter versus an aftermarket.